Hi, I'm Joan from Slaughterbeck Floors, and today we're here to talk about hardwood floor maintenance. Hardwood floor maintenance is probably the most important thing to keeping your hardwood floors looking good for the longevity or the life of the floors. When we talk about hardwood floor maintenance, we're talking about regularly vacuuming, dusting, light mopping, and putting felt on your movable objects like your chairs. Light dusting, we've got pads and they're available at other places other than here. A microfiber pad that will gather up the dust off the floor. You can also use a vacuum to get that dust and grit off the floor. Again, if that's left on the floor for a long period of time and you keep walking on it, it can dull the finish and make it look not so nice after a period of time. Damp mopping, you can use a product such as this, the Bona product, lightly sprayed on a microfiber pad like this, and damp mop the floor. And last but not least, we have felt pads that can be put on movable objects such as chairs. A lot of the times they're peel and stick. You peel off and just put it on the bottom of the chairs. If your chairs have a plastic glide, I suggest you take the glide off and put this right on the chair. It helps the chair to move. And yes, they do have to be replaced from time to time, because remember, you're sitting on these chairs and you're compressing them, and they are gathering dust and hair and grit.